process. But yeah, let me show you what's going on. Just got the ground beef going a little bit, and actually I got some brownies in the oven already that I did not show you, but I'll be back shortly to show you the process. Look at those brownies. Ooh, I can't wait till they're done. Alright, let's take a look and see what our tacos are looking like. I know you can't smell them, but they smell delicious, cooking away. It's a process, but it will be worth it. Alright guys, time to put my tacos together. So I have cheese, onions, sour cream. Forgot the lettuce at the store, so we'll be skipping that. And the taco meat.